Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video, I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains. Crypto copy trading protocol HouseCat emerges from stealth with $3.5 million in funding. Crypto copy trading protocol HouseCat has emerged from stealth today, having raised €3 million, $3.5 million, from Blear Capital, Inflection, Notation Capital, 3KVC, and a number of angel investors. The protocol lets anybody copy the position and trades made by any cryptocurrency wallet on the Polygon blockchain, although it may expand to further chains compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. HouseCat is designed to let someone copy the actions of a previously successful trader. The project was started by founder and CEO Vil Vesterinen, who also ran augmented reality gaming company Grey Area for more than 4 years, and has been the founding chairman of the board of iPhone refurbishment company Swappy, which recently closed a $124 million, $40.6 million, Series C raise for 6 years. Vesterinen said he spent a lot of time on Twitter and kept noticing very successful people in the crypto space and wishing that he could follow their trades. I figured it would be really great if I could press one button and put one ETH on this, whatever he's investing in. Then I started thinking, wait, that's possible because it's open source. You don't even need the permission of the person, he said. Well, the protocol doesn't require such permissions. It does provide a kickback to the wallet that is being followed. If a specific wallet performs well and the person copying it makes money, a small percentage of those profits will be sent to the wallet. So a person could start receiving income if lots of people are following their wallet without necessarily even knowing where it's coming from. If the owner of a specific wallet doesn't access the HouseCat protocol, they will receive a default percentage of gains made by those following their wallet. But if they do sign into the protocol, they can set a custom fee. And if they wanted to deter people from copying their trades, they could set a very high fee. HouseCat estimates that it could create a way for successful traders to effectively become asset managers in some sense. If they build up a large following, they might only own the assets in their wallet, but they would be somewhat responsible for a much larger amount of money. A 16-year-old teenager could have more assets under management than Goldman Sachs. You might have tens of thousands of people following your wallet, he said. Although the entirety of the crypto market is currently smaller than Goldman Sachs' current there are obviously risks to this approach. The person operating the wallet could act maliciously, leading all of its followers off a cliff. In anticipation of such possibilities, HouseCat has taken a few mitigations. HouseCat will initially restrict the tokens that can be copied, preventing traders from using their following to manipulate tokens with small market caps. Plus, it will also identify which traders have signed into the platform and are known to be actively managing their wallets, as opposed to wallets that are simply anonymous and may not even know they are being followed. People understand this is the issuance of 65,000 caste certificates in the state of Maharashtra in India. The use of Polygon to do so made this event the first instance of combining the benefits of blockchain with e-governance. Thus, Polygon is making its value apparent using real-world applications of the network, which is essential in building its network of investors who have been kind of dwindling over the last few weeks. At the beginning of this month, Polygon witnessed the exit of 5K investors in 24 hours. Granted, the figure isn't huge enough to be a big deal. It was the slow recovery that was concerning. Despite observing a rally in the latter half of March, it took the network over 2 weeks to recover the lost investors. Indian Maharashtra state pivots to Polygon for digital caste certificates. The government of Maharashtra, one of the most industrialized states in India, has issued 65,000 digital caste certificates based on the Polygon blockchain technology. I am excited to announce that the government of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli district, has set a new global precedent for Web3 adoption for on-chain e-governance, wrote Shubham Gupta, an assistant collector and project officer in the government of Maharashtra, in a LinkedIn post, adding, "For the first time in India, Gadchiroli district, Attapalli subdivision, will issue caste certificates to its citizens that are anchored on an open permissionless blockchain verifiable within a matter of a few seconds. MATIC's revisit of $2 will follow these developments." MATIC's price might need a breather. MATIC's price action from 13 December 2021 to 16 March 2022 set up 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. Connecting these swing points using 2 trend lines reveals a falling wedge in formation. This technical pattern favors the bulls, and the breakout is often explosive since the price gets squeezed during the formation. The target for this pattern is obtained by adding the distance between the first swing and swing low to the breakout point at $1.42. On 16 March, MATIC's price squeeze ended as it broke out of the falling wedge, forecasting a 36% ascent to $1.95. Making this breakout interesting and adding a tailwind is the daily demand zone, extending from $1.15 to $1.36. Since the breakout, the crypto has rallied by 28% and at press time was hovering above the $1.64 support level. Going forward, MATIC's price could undergo a minor retracement that retests the $1.64 barrier before embarking on its uptrend. The bulls are likely to retest the target at $1.95, but in some cases, the rally might extend to the $2 psychological level. Such a move would push the total gains from 36% to 48%. The local top formed here will be a high conviction swing point and will lead to consolidation or a pullback to the immediate support levels. Who let the whales out? Supporting the bullishness derived from the falling wedge pattern for MATIC's price is the recent uptick in the number of large transactions. This on-chain metric, sometimes termed whale transaction count, is an index that tracks the number of transfers worth $100,000 or more. A sudden spike in this metric suggests that whales, or high net worth investors, are interested in the price of the underlying asset. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72.